how to download an app on LG TV, LG TV App Store. So if you want to download a certain application on LG TV, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is from the very top of the screen, you want to simply first of all go to your App Store. Once you're here on the App Store, from the bottom you'll find an option that says Apps. So you simply want to go to this option called Apps, and once you go to this option called Apps, this is basically the App Store or the content store of your LG TV. Now first, you can also make sure that if you want to log in, you can go ahead and log into your LG TV account, and once you've done that, only you'll be able to download applications and games on your LG TV. Now you can search for a custom application of your choice, or you can choose any of the applications that you'd like to download over here. You'll find the size that it takes, the MB, depending upon the KB or MB, and over there also you'll find the install button, so you can just hit the install button there in order to download that certain application. And this way you'll be able to download app or a certain app on your LG Web OS. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.